Alright, so I just want to start right here and show you what it was, just in case anybody was wondering. It is a Heartland Gateway, that. So, here we go. So, just entering. Y'all, I'm so excited. Here's our kitchen. I'm not going to go into like super detail because I'll be doing videos about like how I organize all of this stuff later. So I'm just kind of giving you an empty walkthrough. So we have this love seat here. We've got this table right here, but we're going to take that out. And let's do this. Let's go this way first. I'll show you. Here we've got the little electric fireplace. I think that was a cabinet because there's doors in the little storage thing underneath. So I think that they put that in. So I don't know what we're going to do about that little piece there, but there's those cabinets. And then going up the stairs and to the left is the main bathroom. There's stink bugs everywhere. Ugh. Well, I'll show you this just so you can kind of see the storage that we're working with. Okay, and then in here it did not come with the mattress, which is okay with me. We have our own. I'm thinking about taking these little shelves down and doing something else. I haven't decided yet. If you think that I should keep these, let me know. I just don't feel like they would be that functional. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna put. I don't know. I'm very minimalist anyway. So I think we would like it better if those were gone. But anyway, then we have our, well, I can't open it, closet with more chairs that go to that table. It goes back there a little bit. And then we have this cabinet right here that houses our washer and dryer that came with the camper. That was one thing that was like awesome with this camper. And then if I turn around, there's another stink bug and a little dresser. And I think we may end up putting all of our clothes in here. I'm not quite sure yet. But anyway, then our TV goes above this, which I wish this was like one shorter so that our TV could be bigger. But anyway, we'll figure it out. So that is the master. And then to show you the reason that we got this camper is this. This side is going to be my son's side. So he will sleep there and he will have all of this as his bedroom, this whole area. We're actually going to put a wall probably from here to here, leaving a door here so that the vent can still work on both sides, because the side that I'm standing in, I'll switch over, is going to be my 11-year-old side. And we're going to take this love seat here and put it where that table is at, because all 5 of us can't fit around that. So we want to put that in the living room to give more room for us to do movie night and things like that. So, sorry, I'm breathing so hard. I feel like I've been running, but it's just hot in here. So anyway, she's got cabinets above there, and then we're going to actually build her a bed similar to what is over here, not quite as high, and then use all of her the storage underneath for like her clothes, toys, and everything for her and Noah, because Noah just has a loft which she is in love with. So let's go up here. So this is Noah's loft. She's got a hookup for a TV as well, so we'll get her all of that taken care of. Down the stairs, and this right here, a half bath. They have their own little bathroom. It does not have a shower or anything in here, which I think they could have, because behind this wall is a storage outside, but it goes all the way up. So we're thinking of tapping into that somehow for Noah to have some type of little closet here, but that is like way on down the road. We also have this door here that we're going to use as our doggy entrance and exit. This is where we're going to let the dogs in and out. Sorry guys, I don't know why I'm so winded. And then this their sink. There's a lot of room around it, which there won't be a whole lot of things on there, probably just soap. Here's me. And then they've got storage up here, or like space up here that we can utilize as storage later. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this walkthrough. I'm going to, like I said, be sharing everything that we do. We want to do some painting. We want to do some furniture moving around and those type things. So I'll be doing videos on all of that. If there's anything that you want to see, let me know, and we'll be sure to do that in our videos. But until then, I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.